this the calm before the storm. You have to be here and watch the Bitcoin price when it's getting very boring. This is the time when we have to watch. This is the time when we will see huge movement, and this we will see today in the evening or today, Monday in the. And we will speak exactly right now about it, what I'm expecting here, bratans, because, you know, there came last week positive data out, economic data, and this positive economic data means that it's very bad for the market at all. And this is very clear why it's bad, bratans, because that means that the Fed has tightened even more and has to increase the interest rates even more, because the Fed, Jerome Powell said by himself, they want to break something in the economy before we can restart again. That means it's still too much over leverage in the whole market. They want to break something. And what it means for Bitcoin, like I told you, in my opinion, I still expecting that we will see Bitcoin dumping further, right? But, however, I show you also in a second my trade, bratans, if I close my $200,000 short position or not. Because what I'm expecting, we are still in this channel. We are moving in this channel for several days. And you see also that the movement's getting less and less. You see, the movement's getting less and less. And what that means the breakout will be even more. And if we see on the daily right now, we are watching here on the daily, you see very clear that the volume is dropping. That means the breakout will be massive, and I'm still expecting, because we are in this descending, we broke out of this descending broadening wedge, and we never retested this descending broadening wedge, right, before we see a relief rally to the upside, what I'm expecting. So I'm still expecting we will see a relief rally to the upside, but I'm waiting until we retest this white line, and this will be at around $14,000 Bitcoin, $14,000. So what it means in the immediate short term, it means very clear what we could see in the immediate short term when the Asia market opened Sunday evening. What I'm expecting huge volatility to the up and to the downside. But wait a minute. Yes, you say both. No, wait a minute. Maximum what I'm expecting here that we could I still expecting a drop. But what we could see easily a pump here to this level of 17,135 to this second yellow line, and even to this red line, maybe to 70,000. Wait a minute, I have to watch. Even here to this line to this red line at around 17,450 before we see a breakdown to the downside. This what could easily happen, because what the whales don't want, they don't want that you don't want that you win. They want collect your money. So they want to get out all the short position and then a huge breakout to the upside to the downside, because if we see a pump to 7,140, even more people start to longing, and then they fuck everyone. This is what I'm expecting. For us, it's very clear. For us, it is very, very clear. So there is one long opportunity. If we're breaking above 6,900, we can long to this price level of 70,130. So it's 1.3%. If we break 70,130, we can even long to 70,450. So 3.3% long opportunity. However, very, very dangerous, only for super professional traders. I'm at the moment in a short, and I show you also my short position in a second. So what I'm waiting for, what I'm watching right now, is when we break this line to the downside, 60,780. As soon as we're breaking 60,780 to the downside, the first price target would be here, our previous low at around 60,390. So this 2.4% short opportunity. If we break 6,390, the next price level is, and watch here out, 13,815. Yes, this is the price target, bratans. I would take profits before at 14,400 even. It's still enough. It's 14% short opportunity. In my opinion, this is what I'm expecting, technically speaking, in my opinion, very clear. But before, what is very clear, there are two options or three options. First option is we are breaking above here this white yellow line and going to retest this the second white line or this red line before we see break to the downside. Or the second option is that we will see immediately a dump on our first yellow line downside and then breaking the second line and then see Bitcoin breaking to 14,000, right? So this is the two options right now in the big picture, or in the big picture on the 4-hourly. If we're speaking, I'm expecting that we will reach 14k, right? Very clear 14k. However, in the immediate short term, we could see here some pump to 70,130. The good news all around is, and wait a minute, I show you also my trade and what I'm doing with my trade. The good news is I'm still, as long as we are not breaking inside of descending broadening wedge on this white line, I still expecting that we will see here a clear breakout to the upside, right here, to read that we are retesting this white line at 14k and then see breakout to the upside. This is what I'm very clear expecting. And let us quickly watch my trade, bratans. I show you here my trade. Wait a minute, because I'm here, I'm playing here paddle tennis. I don't know if you know this. This is an amazing sport. So here is my trade. My trade is at the moment it's $200,000 position, short position, with $93 in a loss, $100 in a loss. I thinking maybe even zero, because you see realized profits around 96, so it would be zero. I'm maybe I'm thinking to close this trade right now, and I'm waiting because my liquidation price is here again. I show you my liquidation price is here at 70,050, and as I showed you right now, if we see, and this is what the whales want, they want to collect my 200,000, right? So what we could see that we will see a breakout to 70,130 to this second yellow line, like I told you. So they liquidate me and all the others and then see a dump. So therefore maybe I'm thinking about to close my short position right now and waiting until we breaking clearly 60,780, because as soon as we breaking 6,780, I'm opening again my short. And bratans, if you also want to trade on Bybit, you can trade on Bybit, and if you're trading on Bybit through my link, then you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel, and you get free, absolutely, blood, what is happening? You get absolutely free signals if I'm closing my trade, when I'm opening my trade, absolutely for free. My Discord, Telegram channel. Also get this news about the macro perspective, what is very important if you're trading, and also you see what other traders, how they make profits. All of this, and also short video, like how it called, a short description of my videos if you don't manage to watch the video. So if you want, link is down below. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah, and wish you Merry Christmas.